Welcome back. Now you've seen in different places around your dashboard this button that says upgrade, and this will allow you to upgrade to Canva for Work, which will give you access to other tools to create more designs. So in this case, all you would need to do is to click this upgrade button, and you'll notice that there are going to be some things that you're going to be able to do, such as with the brand kit, the resizing of your designs, to animate your graphics, and then to collaborate with more aspects of some of the content that you have, and then to export your designs with a transparent background. We're going to click try it for free for 30 days. You can choose whether you want to have the monthly or yearly option in order to upgrade in 30 days. What you'll do then is you'll write in your card number. Now what you're going to want to be aware of is how many team members you have, because you will be paying for them when you upgrade. Once you do that, you'll then have access to 7 additional tools, which you will see here in your welcome screen. You'll also see it inside of any Canvas design screen where you click the More button. If you scroll down, what you'll see here is you'll see those 7 elements that come with Canva for Work. It will now review those features in the next videos. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.